Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Niche Products. Hope you are doing good and safe. Last week we discussed more on the internship programs, how to apply for internships when after graduation or before the graduation. That way, at least you will get experience or exposure in some of these skills you want to learn at the same time in which career you want to build. Right? I mean that way, even. Employers give opportunities for graduates and as internship programs. At the same time, employees try to get internships in some startups or MNCs. So this way, I mean, it's a mutual benefit for employees as well as employers. So once you get some exposure and experience in working as an intern, I mean, some companies take you directly for permanent roles in their respective companies based on the need and based on the experience and skill set the employee has and all. So it depends. Okay, again. So now let us discuss more on how to apply jobs in job portals. Right, in India we have many job portals where we can upload our resume and start searching for resumes. Usually, any student, right? We initially when I was as a student after my graduation, so I used to search one or two job portals where that time famous like Monster India and Naukri.com and all. So now we have many job portals now, and we still avoid applying our resume or uploading our resume in these job portals, which is a not right thing I feel, because every company is tied up with some job portals or some vendors, right? So some vendors will be using only Naukri, some vendors will be using Monster, some vendors will be using Times Jobs, some vendors will be using Shine.com and all, right? So this way you will not able to see all kinds of opportunities, or and your profile may not be seen into multiple companies by multiple HR people or the management people. So in that way, I mean, at least even though you don't get calls, I would suggest you to upload and fill your resume in all these 10 job portals, so that you'll get better chances. And moreover, like there would be so many companies which you never know. You will come to know that kind of opportunity is there in that company. Even now, I also find that kind of opportunities where I earlier I never know that this company exists or this company has that kind of skill set and opportunities also. So definitely, if you are seriously trying for a job, you have to search for all these kind of opportunities in these job portals. Let me explain what are those top job portals, right? So, as I said, like Naukri is a famous job portal, and everyone knows. All the students and all the employees, employers, everyone knows. And if you see here, all the jobs are showing up here and trending on Naukri. 5.9k million k jobs, which is completely remote, and MNC jobs 26,000 jobs, marketing it. So this way, I mean, temporary work from home jobs. So you can search and project management jobs, and you can yeah, have your mobile app also installed on your mobile, and have your notifications, and clearly call out your profile, which kind of jobs you need to have your notifications, and clearly call out your technology skill set like a full stack mobile. So if you put multiple skill set, right, as a fresher you might be getting so many it's good if you have multiple skill set, and as a fresher you are applying, yeah, definitely it will add value, because when people are searching with a keyword like front end developer, full stack developer, mobile app developer, technical lead, or that with that kind of keywords, your profile may definitely comes to the top. So definitely, I mean, every HR cannot or management cannot see 10,000 resumes for sure. So you should have some techniques in getting your resume into the top listed search results. Okay, so in order to do that, you need to fine tune your resume with proper keywords. In the same way, you need to search filters in the job portals with the proper keywords. Like if you are having a skill set of Java front end, Angular, or React JS and all, so you properly call out. And if you are having some Salesforce CRM, you click instead of Zoho and Microsoft, you properly call out if you have knowledge on and skills and experience on the three areas. And if you want to search jobs in three areas, is fine with you. I mean, properly uh, put all those three keywords in your search criteria when you register in here. And when you are uploading your resume and asking for all those skill set, right? I mean, you can do all those things. In the same way, it is one and the same. Like every job portal have their own way of uploading your resume. And 70 to 80% of these job portals have their mobile apps also. You can have your mobile apps installed and have your notifications thing. And when someone views your profile, you'll come to know that someone has reviewed your profile, or someone has downloaded your profile, someone has reached out to you by mail and all, right? So if someone has reached out to you by mail, so definitely there is some interest in your job profile. And if you are serious in trying applying for the job, and which is a matching criteria, you can always send out a cold mail requesting for more details, and what is the kind of opportunity you're looking at, and all those things. And with more details like your expectations. And you can even ask for a call discussion to even some of the direct company HRs will reach out, or some vendors might be reaching out. So you always need to have a cold, I mean, soft discussion with them, and then request for them for ensuring a interview at least, so that you'll come to know what is their expectations and all those things, right? So definitely, if it is shortlisted, I mean, it would be a good opportunity for you to discuss better in during those discussions when the interview happens, right? If you do, if some HRs may be giving you complete details, some HRs may not be having the complete details whatever you ask, right? So the technical people or management must be knowing. So you can request for a call or interview. I mean, so based on the conversation which you had with HR, and if it is relevant for you, and HR says it is okay to schedule the interview. And this way, and Indeed is recently been more popular. And many jobs are being posted. And you can also register your resume here. And shine.com is been a long time. Shine.com is a famous job portal as well. And if you see here, the companies, which top companies hiring now. So, as I said in my previous internship video as well, so if these companies are hiring, it is showing, right? So you can always go to their original portal. You can search in LinkedIn if this particular Byju's or Kotak or DBS or S Bank, Tata Consultancy Service, you can search the relevant HRs or management people in LinkedIn, or else even you can search going to their direct portals, right? I mean, you can request if there is any kind of opportunity, so that you can send out a mail to them directly. If you have if you happen to see their mail ID in their LinkedIn and all, and also at the same time, you can read apply, even though sometimes because of the busy schedule, they may not be able to respond in even though you reach out to them. So it is advisable for you to apply these in the direct company portals itself. Sometimes when there is a opportunity pops up, right, all of a sudden they can reach out to you directly from the company itself. So that is one way of trying to apply your resume. And LinkedIn, as I said, like you can search your resume in with the job openings whatever you have, and apply it. Glassdoor is one of the job portal, and Times Jobs is also a very old job portal, and you can also upload your resume. As I said, like different companies tie up with these kind of job portals, and vendors may not be having, because some are paid services will be there, and some every company will not be registering their services with these kind of job portals. So Elitmus is one more good one for freshers. So these conduct tests, and based on these correct tests, I mean, companies will search candidates from these exam marks and all, right? So that is one thing. And freshers jobs, this is one of the important portal for job freshers. And if you see, all these companies are hiring for freshers. So as I said, like freshers, I would suggest you to go through the if this particular Genser is hiring for freshers, go to the Genser portal directly and apply it there, and search in LinkedIn if you know any mutual contacts or friends or families working in Genser, and reach out to them, and have a referral of your resume to send it to the HR. So that way, your chances of getting your call is will be more. Okay, so these are all the ways you need to search, at least in a day. If you are seriously searching for jobs, at least you need to spend 1 hour in a day in applying the jobs, in finding out where exactly these jobs are open, and all these things. This is one more important portal, techgeek.com, and this post Java full stack, all these kind of, including company names. That way also you can search. And as we discussed, Shine and all, so these are all different ways of searching jobs and uploading your resume. So I would suggest you to go through all these job portals. If you have missed any portal, just right away upload your resume in all these portals. Even you are experienced or a fresher, doesn't matter. It helps you a lot in getting more chance of searching your profile by different recruiters across the India, pan India. So that way you'll get more calls and more interviews. And I would suggest you to do the do this. And I would request you to subscribe this channel for more updates like this. And thanks for watching.